My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website nowscan.com. This is a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick its visitors into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. The website says that it is some sort of security alert. It also says that you have visited illegal infected website. The website nowscan.com claims to be related to some well-known security program, but it is not related to that program. Instead, if you click on this scan button, you will be redirected to some other questionable sites. And because of that, your computer may eventually be infected with some potentially unwanted programs. In the light of this information, you shouldn't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't ever install that they suggest. Simply leave this page and don't tolerate these alerts. Of course, you could carefully research the control panel and uninstall the programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.